All right, you know what? It's time. Let's bring this thing down.
You ready?
I'm ready.
It's no longer for lease.
It's no longer for lease. All right, it's day 3, or I don't even know what day it is. Shelly's over there. We're about to go inside because we can see them putting up the light fixtures. And then yesterday, Shelly, when she was over there checking the new toilet and the sink, the hot water doesn't work. So we're gonna go inside and check out what's going on. So let's go ahead, let's go inside. Oh yeah, also, if you guys don't know, in the last video, we had a big ant problem. So I had to put all this powder down. That's why you guys see all this white stuff. It's the powder stuff. There's this mound killer. Oh, dang, look, it killed something else. Yeah, it's still moving too. Because I sprayed the home defense stuff.
Oh, yeah.
That's how strong that stuff is. So go check out that video, the ant infestation. I had it and it kills everything. So I sprayed the whole store with the home defense stuff and I put down the ant powder stuff. So on the inside and the outside, look, he must have rolled around in there. So
R.I.P.
R.I.P. So they got looks like they got the lights inside, which is pretty cool. Dang, there's bugs everywhere. Look, there's another one back there. Yeah. This place gets beetles like that. I need them to fix that up there.
Been treated.
Yeah, maybe it hasn't, but it got treated yesterday because they are dead. All right, let's go inside.
Oh,
there's the lights, getting better.
I hope he needs to be.
Better.
It's way brighter.
Yeah,
Good. Perfect.
that's perfect.
Maintain too in the future.
All right, so we're inside. We got my man over here. He's fixing all the lights. We finally got LEDs back. So, oh, you know what? I'm not gonna turn down. Yeah. So she's about to go get Lulu because he's got some really cool things here. Look at these beautiful birds. These beautiful pigeons. Buddy. Okay, so we'll also, remember in the last video I said, I hope we go to LEDs because that's gonna make it a lot more brighter in here. And that's exactly what he's doing. He's switching everything over from the old style to these really cool LEDs. They're super bright, we already checked them out. Yeah, that's really it. Everything else is being done. The lights, then the cleaning crew is gonna come tomorrow. The lady let us know that the cleaning crew is gonna come tomorrow, clean up all that powder over there. The reason why I sprayed the spray yesterday is because it'll still stay down, it'll still keep a really good barrier, kill any bugs that decide to come in here, and you won't even be able to see it. Look at the pigeons.
So there's one in the top box, 2 in the bottom, and then one in the middle. Isn't they beautiful? But this one in the top is white.
Oh, really? It's white?
Yeah, it's white with black spots, and this one's black with white spots.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty.
Right? Oh, wow. That's beautiful, yeah.
I did not even know that.
No, I was like, what's that sound? He pointed?
Yeah, I was
what you mean?
like, I thought he was like ASMR sound for him.
Yeah.
Like, I just listen to bitches while I work. There's 2 down here. If you want to lift it.
Dang, look at that filter. It's cruddy.
Dirty. I wonder what was here before. Do you know?
No, I don't. Oh, do you want me to film you ripping down the sign?
Yeah.
Let's go. Hold on, you didn't even wait for me.
Oh, maybe.
I know.
I don't want her out there in the heat that long.
Okay.
Ready?
It's on there. All right, so we're gonna come back when it's nighttime. Shelly just ripped off the sign. I'm gonna rip mine off, this one off later. We're gonna come back when it's nighttime, turn on all the lights. Anyway. Glistening. We're gonna turn off all the lights. No, when it's dark outside, we're gonna come in here and turn on the lights and see how bright it is.
85.
That's the year I was born. So we got some food real quick.
No, dude.
And we gotta go back on 1 o'clock to get our keys and be officially done. No,
Tomorrow they're doing the
tomorrow the cleaning people are coming. No, it had nothing to do with you being beautiful. Because you was a good woman.
Because I was a good woman?
Yes,
That's
and
why.
you realize. All right, so unfortunately, we went back to the store. What happened, babe? We went back to the store.
This is good. We went back to the store. Danny said
that he realized that the lights in the restroom weren't working, so he has to go back and replace those. So we got to go back in an hour. So we owe Lulu Ulta. She got $15 limit.
Go, open the door. It's hot.
Okay, slide.
Blackest door. That's a dude. That's a guy. That's a dude.
Dollar. I don't like coming in.
All right, so we're all done with Ulta. Headed back to the store. We're a little early, but he might be done. So we're gonna go see if he's done with the lights in the bathroom. If not, I'll just drive around. We're just wasting a little bit of time until he's done fixing the lights in the bathroom. Then he's all done. Cleaning people come tomorrow to clean it up. We'll be all set for August 1st. So, go ahead.
It's going.
All right, so we're inside. As you can see, way better light in here now. And the outside are all LED white light.
Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go back so you can see the difference.
Not white light, what's it called?
LED and then daylight lights.
No, they're not daylight.
These are.
No, these are daylight. No,
He said these are. These three.
I forgot, I'm gonna just use white now, because I forgot, I was getting mixed up. But as you can see, these are LED, those are halogen, which is glass and stuff like that. And the LEDs last longer, they're plastic, they're easy to swap out, you just pull them out, pop them back in. But he ran out. He bought all the LEDs to do as much as he could. That's fine. Again, this is the things that happen. Could we complain about it? Could we be like, hey, Sylvia, everybody, can you guys fix these? That we could, right? But we're not going to because we just want to move it. They're about to come tonight and do the deep cleaning and we're ready to go. So what we're gonna do is, my barber Danny, shout out to you, Danny. He has done this. He has actually converted all of the lights in his shop to LED. He's really good at stuff like that. So I'm gonna ask him to do it, help me out. What I'm looking at, babe, though, right behind you is the halogen bulbs up here. So these must turn on at night.
What?
Those bulbs
Oh, I
right
didn't
there.
even see
Those
that.
are, I can guarantee you those aren't probably LED. They probably haven't converted. So
yellow?
it's gonna, yeah, it's all yellow or whatever. So what's cool is I'm gonna ask Danny, can he do this one, and this one? There's 3 in each, 3, 6, 9. So I need to go buy 9 LED, whatever bulbs. I'm gonna let him do all that for me. But listen, it just needs to be white. So hopefully he can come out here. He's not too far. He's right over here in Spring.
I have video of the packaging that was over there.
Even better,
So then
even
we
better.
can match it perfect.
Even better, yeah. So we can match it. Yeah, you're right, because another manufacturer might be a little brighter or dimmer. Either way, we'll get that. Boom, knock that out, and then because you want perfect lighting, or not perfect, but you want as best lighting as you can get. But let's go ahead into the bathroom because I want to see what it looks like. Especially with this one not being LED and being the only light back here. You know what I mean? Maybe we get some lights from up here. The bathroom should be, to me, I like soft light, so I like this. Right, we can make this bathroom as pretty as possible. That fan needs to definitely be cleaned out. It's nasty. But he did swap these. These are LED.
Oh yeah, I can see the U shape.
Yeah, no, they already were U, but they were glass. These are LED U, but they're dimmer, which I like soft bathroom lights. We make it pretty and it gives you that, oh, I'm in a nice pretty bathroom. Out here it needs to be this nice, big, bright, white light.
Yes, showroom ready.
Showroom ready. Yeah, showroom. So you want that big, bright.
Yeah.
Maybe we even put something here. Maybe a big flash printing depot that's lit up, right? Big.
Flash printing
that's lit up,
depot.
kind of like whatever cut works. Whenever you walk in, that's the first thing that you see.
Yeah.
This right here should definitely be our accent on the wall.
When you
I
walk
was
in.
thinking because it's near the bathroom and because it's near that we take everything from this pipe here, and we make this like where our desks are and stuff.
That's what was my plan.
Yeah, then everything from here forward is the showroom.
Yes, that
So
was
when you
kind of
stand
what.
in it, when you stand in it, and I'll do this. Remember, come back. Come all the way back, come all the way back, come all the way back. Okay, so when you stand in it, no, that's fine. When you stand in it, do you feel that, remember that day when we stood and I said, this feels like it's the same amount room? I don't think it's as wide.
From where?
Remember we stood in Cutworks? And I said, oh, this feels like the same amount of room, but not as far back. What do you feel now?
At Cutworks? Cutworks is way bigger than that.
I think so.
No, I told you.
I think
Their
so.
layout is, they have a lot of surface area. Think about when you're standing in the kitchen, how much surface area, how many machines they are able to have. We wouldn't be able to have that many machines.
Let's go get the tape measure and let's measure.
You have it?
Yeah, not in the car, but we need to.
Well, we'll come back. We're coming back tonight.
Okay.
We're gonna go. Thank.
Okay, we're coming back tonight to measure. That's what we need to do.
Yes.
To give measurements to.
This is for them.
All right, you know what? It's time. Let's bring this thing down.
You ready?
I'm ready.
It's no longer for lease.
No longer for lease. Okay.
Okay, just rip the bottom.
No longer for lease. I'm not gonna ruin the sign because they might want to put it up later or something like that. No longer for lease, guys. That's gonna be it for this video. Well, I'll
No,
make a
we're gonna
separate-
come back tonight.
Yeah, I'll make a separate video for tonight. So stay tuned for the next video where we're gonna come back tonight. We're gonna measure, see how this thing looks at night. We can still run the AC. We already did the lights. You know, one thing though, real quick. I mean, we already did the electricity. It's already in our name. We already did the insurance. It's already in our name. I think we might have to go to the city for a few things. But what's great about this store that we didn't have to do for the last store, remember we had to put this in for the last store. We had to get that for the last store.
Yeah, so this unit must have been occupied not too long ago.
Yes. And then this lock, we already got the right handle on the door, but remember, we're not in Harris County, we're in Montgomery County. So I can literally throw a rock to downtown Conroe where everything in Montgomery County is done.
Yeah.
So just so you guys know, if you live in Spring, Woodlands, Montgomery, Magnolia, everything is done right here in Conroe, and we're like 2 seconds away from downtown Conroe. So this is where all the action is. You got Hobby Lobby over there. I wish I would cut down these trees so we'd have a better visual of all the other stores.
Yeah.
But there's a DTF store right over there. Like when we open this, everybody's gonna come and be like, what do you do? Oh, I need this, I need this, I need that. Those are great locations.
Good
for-
marketing. That's what we
Great
need.
marketing, great. We're not gonna live here, but it's great marketing for us to have our business here. That's gonna be it for this video. Peace.